Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message. Firstly, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Now click on this little icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on your picture right away in order to add it. You can also tap on Gallery, select your photo here and click on Add at the top right corner, or click on Gallery, select Folders and look for your photo in Recent Files, one of those apps, or in one of the available sources that you can see after clicking on the top left corner, like Downloads. You can even click on Images filter to make it easier to look. After finding your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!